Hi, welcome to Growing Up with the Movies. पहला episode is Saboot, and we are starting with this location. This is the house I grew up in. अभी तो ये two floors type वाला है, but पहले it was like one small house, and we used to live here. I have very strong visual memory of going for Saboot, watching the film Saboot. पहला तो है कि I'm in a rickshaw and with my two aunts, and we're going to this theater called Bahar in Ville Parle, which by the way still exists. It's still there. It's become a single screen. And the second is a shot from the film in which someone is dragging a body down a staircase. बट अभी मैंने रिसेंटली सबूत रिविजिट किया यूट्यूब पे, बट वो शॉट उसमें था नहीं. तो आई डोंट नो इफ दैट शॉट इज देयर इन द फिल्म और that shot was just there in my memory as a poor visual. I don't know. So Saboot was released on 20th February 1980. It's the same year that Friday the 13th released, and I was almost 3 years old when I saw it. The film is directed by Tulsi Ramse and Sham Ramse, and Saboot is more of a suspense thriller with those very horror elements to it. स्टोरी उसका क्या है? स्टोरी ये है कि आशा विच इज विद्या सिन्हा एंड आकाश विच इज विनोद मेहरा, दे आर अ न्यूली मैरिड कपल एंड दे सिंगिंग अ सॉन्ग, जीना भी क्या जीना है जिसमें तेरा साथ नहीं.
जीना भी कोई जीना है जब तक तेरा साथ नहीं।
गाने के बाद थोड़े टाइम के बाद ट्रेजेडी स्ट्राइक एंड आकाश इज किल्ड इन अ प्लेन एक्सीडेंट. तो ये होने के बाद ट्रेजेडी का बाप होता है वेयर आशा's father धर्मराज, which is played by Trilok Kapoor, he is murdered by his businessman rival Dhanraj, which is Prem Chopra, with the help of Ashok Gupta, Narendra Nath, Manmohan Saxena, played by Rupesh Kumar, and Rita, which is played by Padma Khanna. तो ये सब मर्डर हो जाता है, एंड देन व्हाइल बरिंग द लाश, पद्मा खन्ना टेल्स देम ऑल द अदर्स इज कि ये जिंदा है, ये जिंदा है, एंड कहते हैं कि जिंदा इंसान को अगर दफन किया जाए तो उसकी रूह अपनी मौत का बदला अपने कातिलों से जरूर लेती है.
मेरी बात मानो। कहते हैं किसी जिंदा इंसान को अगर दफन कर दिया जाए तो उसकी आत्मा, उसकी रूह अपनी मौत का बदला अपने कातिलों से लेती है.
So that's how the Saboot begins, and one by one murder happens of all these people who are involved in the killing. अब इसमें interestingly Naveen Nischal है, who's the cop who's investigating his mother, the murder, and along with the investigation, he has time to romance Kajal Kiran also, who's Asha's sister, Vidya Sinha's sister. तो वो एक ट्रैक चल रहा है. फिर एक ट्रैक है जिसमें दुखी राम और सुखी राम, विच इज राजेंद्र नाथ एंड पेंटल, उनका एक कॉमेडी ट्रैक चल रहा है. तो पहले 80s में बहुत ऐसे कॉमेडी ट्रैक used to be a very regular thing. The Ramsey brothers, most of the time, the films were produced in-house by the family, but Saboot was the first film which the Ramsey brothers directed for outside producers. So इसमें interestingly, this was the first collaboration between J.K. Ahuja, the writer, the story writer, and Ramses. In fact, this partnership after Saboot, it proved so successful that they went on to Ahuja went on to write stories for films, many Ramsey films like Purana Mandir, Samri, Tehkhana, and Virana. According to J.K. Ahuja, the inspiration for Saboot were the Raman Raghav killings in the 60s, which he had said in one of the YouTube interviews, which his son recorded. And regarding the producers, also very little information exists online. The producers were Raj Baweja and G.H. Navani. Apart from Saboot, the only other film title associated with them which I found was Ek Hi Maqsad. Beside that, there's no archival information. Even their production houses, which was called Abbasi Pictures and Bharat Pictures, not much information is there about it. So Saboot was clearly inspired by the 1970s Italian horror cinema, especially of Mario Bava. In fact, if you watch a couple of Mario Bava films like Kill Baby Kill or films like this, you will see the pattern, the shot taking, the lighting, because Mario Bava was a cinematographer himself. In fact, in Saboot, you'll some of the scenes it'll feel like Mario Bava himself has directed it. So, but it's still original. From that, it just takes inspiration from that kind of filmmaking. and it's not a complete knockoff of, say, Bawa, Dario Argento, and Lucia Fulci. So these were the filmmakers at that time who were like very popular genre filmmakers. And with so much discussion about horror comedy, आजकल बहुत चल रहा है. But in fact, Ramses were the early adopters of mixing comedy with horror. तो उनके हर फिल्म में एक पूरा ट्रैक कॉमेडी का चलता रहता था पैरेलल टू द हॉरर और सस्पेंस. तो एंड दैट ट्रैक इज आल्सो वेरी वेरी विजिबली seen in this through that the Rajendra and Painter's character. So recently, when I revisited Saboot, I realized that you remember that image of Archana Puran Singh in Zee Horror Show, the severed head on a plate. That image apparently is a similar image is in Saboot. I won't be surprised if Saboot was the inspiration for that iconic Zee horror image of Archana Puran Singh. Secondly, Saboot में Rajendra Nath wear two type of glasses. One has a wiper on it, जिसमें ऐसे बारिश में वो घूमता रहता है, वाइपर ऐसे टक 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 चलता रहता है. And there is another one जिसमें ऐसे headlights है. So those kind of glasses, Rajendra Nath was known had worn those kind of glasses in other films also. Third, I realized that that entire investigation of Naveen Mitchell is so hilarious because every time there's a murder, he just goes to Vidya Sinha's house and asks Kajal Kiran कि uncle है क्या. तो हर murder होता है, he forgets everything, he reaches the house and he asks uncle कहाँ है, and then Om Shipuri is doing something or the other at home, and for him he is the only suspect.
अरे आनंद तुम इतनी रात की क्या बात है आनंद?
अजीत अगर मैं लाश को पोस्टमार्टम के लिए भेज दो.
And some of the dialogues, like उस time पे every villain used to have तकिया कलाम. So Prem Chopra's was in this film was पैसा बहुत बुरी चीज है.
पैसा बहुत बुरी चीज है.
So that was one iconic dialogue. The second was Rajendra Nath's तकिया कलाम, which was मेरी अक्कल ये कहती है. So every line he used to say मेरी अक्कल ये कहती है.
मेरी अक्ल ये कहती है कि मरने वाला मरहूम खुद ये गमबूट पहनकर छत पर टहल रहा होगा. मेरी अक्ल ये कहती है कि धर्मदास जी किसी स्टेशन पर उतरकर प्लेटफॉर्म पर लेट गए होंगे.
And the third very fun dialogue is when they're going to bury the body. Padma Khanna is also with them, and then Narendra Nath, she's freaking out and she says that line कि कोई ऐसे मर जाए तो ऐसा होता है वैसा होता है. And Narendra Nath talking to the others says इस लौंडिया का काम है खाली जाम भरना. बिस्तर और जेवर से मोहब्बत करने वाली इस जवानी को इस कब्र के पास मिट्टी के पास क्यों ले आए.
इस लौंडिया का काम है खाली जाम भरना. बिस्तर और जेवर से मोहब्बत करने वाली जवानी को इस कब्र की मिट्टी के पास कहां ले आए.
So this was the first episode, Saboot. I hope you like this episode, and I hope you go and watch Saboot with all the trivias and info which was shared in this episode. See you next time in episode number 2, Growing Up with the Movies.